and made a promise. No more boring cars. And when this car's finally finished, it'll answer Akio's last request, and that is to completely redefine the sound of an electric sports car. So what do you think about these? The GR GT and its race car sibling, the GR GT3, will be joined by the all-new Lexus LFA Concept here to form the sports car apex for both Lexus and GR. All from one race-bred platform, true to GR's promise of pushing the limits for better and contributing to the entire Toyota group. And all part of Akio's promise of no more boring cars. Now the GT3 category, where the story of these three cars begins, is all about making cars for people who want to win, for professionals and also privateer racers. For everybody, it all starts with speed. Without speed, there's nothing. For the GR GT3 race car, 4-litre V8 twin-turbo engine, completely rigid aluminium space frame, an incredibly low center of gravity, state-of-the-art aerodynamics, all the critical elements are in place. The GR GT road car with the same V8 twin-turbo but with hybrid power. These three cars will work as a team to bring the emotion of driving to both veteran racers and new generation of car lovers. Whether it's the V8 twin-turbo in the GR GT3 or the hybrid version in the GR GT, both running on either conventional fuel or e-fuel or an electric future in the LFA. These cars represent a commitment. Ladies and gentlemen, over the last 14 years, not only Lexus and GR, but all Toyota Group brands have undergone a transformation. The emotional side has come back to the company, whether that's in terms of driving dynamics, engineering, production, or my field of design. There's been a fundamental change in the company mindset.